And this is a big development coming in. The Delhi Karkarduma Court has granted interim bail to Umar Khalid. So the court has granted him bail from 16th of December to the 29th of December. The 16th of December, which is in another 4 days from now. So Umar Khalid had approached the trial court seeking interim bail to attend his sister's wedding, which is on the 27th. My colleague Dipankar is with us. Dipankar, share what happened in the court. Tell us about these developments. Umar Khalid has been granted interim bail to attend his sister's wedding.
Well, yes, Umar Khalid had approached the Delhi Karkarduma Court while his bail petitions in the Supreme Court were pending and had sought an interim bail to attend his sister's wedding, which is to happen on the December of 27th. And the court, taking into consideration the fact that he has been incarcerated for a prolonged period of time and his main regular bail petitions are being heard, and the order, in fact, has been reserved by the Supreme Court on the bail petitions, granted an interim bail to Umar Khalid to attend that wedding. And in fact, he had sought the interim bail from 14th till 29th. However, the court has only granted him the interim bail from 16th to 29th, and he will now be coming out on 16th to attend the wedding on the 27th, which is to happen. Over to you.
So Dipankar, you were also telling us about how yes, the hearing is still underway in the Supreme Court. So what happens next now that Umar Khalid has got interim bail from the Karkarduma Court? Will there be any other bearing in this particular case on him itself?
No, in fact, the Supreme Court has reserved its order. It has heard the entire case in the Supreme Court, the regular bail petitions that were moved by Umar Khalid and all the other accused in the larger conspiracy case. And since the matter has been reserved, so we will have to wait and watch as to whether regular bail will be granted by the Supreme Court or not to all the members, including Umar Khalid over there. But for now, the interim bail application has been heard, and he has been granted interim bail to attend the sister's wedding. That is the big update over here coming from the Delhi Karkarduma Court. All
right. Thank you, Dipankar, for joining us with the latest update. So the Karkarduma Court has granted interim bail to Umar Khalid. This was in connection with the plea that he filed. He filed an interim bail plea seeking time and permission to also attend his sister's wedding. Let's also move on and tell you about another big story that we are tracking here.